The T-SUNUS LED Pond Lights offer a vibrant color-changing experience with 16 million colors and 20 modes, transforming any garden or water feature into a stunning visual display. Designed for durability, these lights are IP68 waterproof, making them ideal for submersion in ponds, fountains, and waterfalls without any risk of water damage. The built-in timing function allows for automatic daily operation, ensuring your outdoor space is beautifully lit without the need for manual intervention. With a unique music synchronization feature, the lights can change color in harmony with your favorite tunes, adding an extra layer of ambiance to parties and gatherings. The daisy chain design simplifies installation by allowing up to 8 lights to connect to a single power source, providing seamless and efficient outdoor lighting. Controlled via a user-friendly app, these lights offer customizable on-off settings, brightness adjustments, and color changes, making them versatile for various occasions and settings.